Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with just enough setup. Open your phone's browser app or device settings and go straight to privacy or site settings. Once there, find cookies and choose Allow or Accept to enable basic storage. This lets websites remember logins and preferences so pages load faster and forms autofill. Make sure to allow cookies for sites you trust. If prompted, pick session versus persistent cookies depending on privacy needs. Save changes and relaunch the browser to apply settings immediately. Now you'll manage cookies in detail. Open site settings and tap Stored Data or Cookies to view cookies by domain. This shows what's saved and why. Once done, use exceptions to block trackers or allow essential domains. Type the domain and assign Allow or Block. Make sure to clear cookies for sites you no longer use or export needed data first. Inspect cookie contents when troubleshooting login issues. Persistent cookies keep sessions, while session cookies expire when you close the browser. Complete the process by testing. Log into a site, change a preference, then revisit to confirm cookies' saved settings. If pages misbehave or logouts happen, clear cookies for that site and restart the browser. This often resolves corrupted cookie data. If problems persist, open a private or incognito tab to isolate cookie behavior. This prevents stored cookies from interfering. One key troubleshooting tip: disable extensions or browser add-ons that block cookies. Then retest, because they commonly cause cookie-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.